Hiya! Today we are going to talk about the verb to live. My name is Mave and welcome back to Spanish with Mave. Are you ready? Let's start! Vives and it finishes in es. Vives. And tú vives en Inglaterra, it means you live in England for certain. I know you. You are my neighbor next door. If I want to ask a question, it's not going to change. It's going to be exactly the same vives, but with the difference we have intonation. Is vives. It's like you climbing a mountain. Vives, vives. So I may not be certain where do you live. I don't know if you are my neighbor either. So vives en Inglaterra. Climbing up, climbing down. Let's do it together. Vives en Inglaterra. And once more, climb up the mountain. Vives en Inglaterra. Perfecto. And let's continue. So, what happened if I know for certain that you don't live in England? How will I say that? Very easy. You just put the no in front of vives. No vives en Inglaterra. No vives en Inglaterra. Brilliant! It was very nice to be with you again, and I hope to see you next time. Muchas gracias por estar conmigo hoy y espero verte en la próxima. Adiós.